Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing our fall clean and decorate with me 2022 part 2. If you are new here, my name is Rosielynn. I'm a mom to 3 little ones, 5 years old and under. I am a wife, and in my videos, you're gonna get that motivation to get up and get something done with realistic messes and all the things mom life. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments below, and let's get started.
I come for you, I need you to know that I would never walk away. I know what you need, I would bleed for you, but you're taking somebody home. I know I need to move on, I need to be strong, but I don't wanna go alone, no.
We're going to start off today in the kitchen. This is the heart of our home, and we're going to pick up the messes, clean off the air fryer, unload the dishwasher, load the dishwasher, wash some dishes, light a candle, and really get in the autumn vibe mood. I'm so ready for fall. I'm so ready for cozy, cold weather. Where are you guys from? We're in California, so it's really hot right now. We're in a heat wave, and there's also a lot of fires burning around us, which is really scary. So I'm hoping all of that clears up soon. In today's video, you're going to get motivation to decorate, to clean, and just kind of find relatable content when it comes to having a house that's lived in, messes, kids, crumbs, the whole enchilada. So let me know in the comments below where you're from and just chit chat with me. I'd love to get to know you guys a little bit better. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're new, and let's keep going.
Doing nothing, I'm too tired to rest, too tired, I'm blue, can't do nothing else than doing nothing. Inside my room,
We're just going to be lighting this candle and getting that aroma going in the atmosphere. I normally diffuse essential oils, but what do you like to do best? Do you like to do diffuser? Do you like candles? Do you like to throw a pot on the stove, cut up fruit, throw in cinnamon sticks, and let that get going? What is your jam for fall? I have never done a pot on the stove and let that make the aroma of the house smell really good unless we're eating it. So I definitely want to try that out. I have been seeing a lot of that on social media. So let me know if you guys do that, what you like to do. I'm going to be wiping down my counters now with a microfiber cloth and a Mrs. Meyer's Rose Scent Cleaner. I ran out of the fall one, so I definitely need to head to Target and get a new one. But for now, we're just going to be doing this. We'll be heading over to the dining room table and cleaning up some real life messes underneath that table from my little ones.
I'm too tired to sleep, too tired to do anything else than doing nothing. I'm too tired to rest, too tired, I'm blue, can't do nothing else than doing nothing. Feeling really bad, got a whole lot of problems, but they're always about you. I'm trying my best, but I don't know how to solve them. I don't know what to do. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know maybe it's time that I let you go.
Finishing up in the kitchen, I wipe down the fridge, the dishwasher, and the stove with a Lysol wipe with those hot areas that we touch frequently. I'm moving on to the dining room area, picking up all these toys, sweeping, wiping down the placemats and the table. I do this multiple times every day just to keep up on it. When you have little ones, there is no time for letting this slack, and if you do, you feel so overwhelmed. So I do this so that the future me will not be as stressed. You know what I mean? So that's what we're going to be tackling today. And these cute little placemats I found from Target. They are from the Hide and Eek brand. They are so cute. They only had 3 left in stock when I was at my local Target. You cannot buy these online. You actually have to go and hunt for them. It's like kind of like a treasure match game because they don't allow you to buy it online because it's a limited quantity, I guess. So next I'm just going to be wiping down our dining room table. I'm in love with our table. It is from IKEA. I love it. It's so cute.
'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you.
Making our way to the laundry room, we're going to be throwing in and out loads of laundry all throughout this video. I have bedding, clothes, the girls' clothes, our clothes, just clothes in general. As you know, if you are a family, you have a lot of clothes. So we got a lot of clothes here that we're going to be tackling in today's video. I hope it gives you that laundry motivation that you absolutely need because laundry is never ending and it'll always be there for you no matter what. Moving on to our master bedroom, I'm going to be wiping down our dresser with some thieves cleaner, a microfiber cloth, and also showing you guys a really cute decorative pillow I found from the Target dollar spot.
I was young, couldn't see that.
We are going to be stripping the bed and throwing everything in the wash. I love having clean bedding. As you guys know, if you've been following my last couple videos, clean bedding is just so relaxing after a long day of being mom and working and all the things. So I'm sure you guys can relate to that. But we're just going to be stripping this, throwing it in the wash, and then we'll be putting it back on later in today's video. So stay tuned for that.
I'll do it all over again.
While the washer is helping me out, I'm going to head into the playroom, strip the bedding, get that nice and switched out. I'm also going to be picking up all the toys and resetting this room for my little ones.
But I wanna Yeah, I know I did you wrong, but I learned my lesson. Now what if we could move on? Remember the good days. I wish that we could go back. I know I'm not perfect, but at least give me a try. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough, 'cause you're the best, you know.
Heading in the little one's room, I'm going to be putting away all their jammies, clothes, all the buildup that's been in baskets throughout the week, and just getting everything cleaned up. I will be switching out their bedding as well, and this makes life so much easier throughout the week during school. So we're going to be tackling this together.
That it's goodbye, bye, bye. If you just believe it, I know we can make it. We used to be strong, love. Don't forget where you're coming from. A heart like that, don't give up that easily. I wanna see you be mad, yeah, get mad at me. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough, 'cause you're the best, you know. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough. Give me a chance, yeah, baby, try, try, try. Just one more night, then make up your mind, mind, mind. Please don't say that it's goodbye, bye, bye. If you just believe it, I know we can make it. Try, try, try. Try, try, try. Try, try, try. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough. Give me a chance.
We have had this crib now for 5 years, and it's so special to me because all my babies have been in it. My daughter DJ is going to be turning 2 soon, and she's obsessed with Forky, and it's so heartwarming when your little ones just grow. But next we're heading downstairs into our bathroom. It's a half bath, so we're going to be tackling this and giving it a really nice decor and clean in here, freshen it up, and give it that well-needed loving.
Try, try. If you just believe it, I know we can make it.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me once you travel.
I'm going to be using a Lysol Click Gel in the toilet. I absolutely love these. They keep the toilet smelling so fresh when you walk in.
I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your...
I'm going to be adding this really cute doggy spooky soap for the bathroom. I love the holidays for the kiddos. I'm not really too big on spooky anymore, but I do want to make it fun for the kids, and I know that they love that, so a little goes a long way. But this is what the bathroom looks like so far. We'll probably be adding more throughout this whole season, but I just wanted to show you guys what I was able to do for now.
All the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me once you've traveled the world.
Heading back into the kitchen, we're going to be unloading the dishwasher, which we loaded earlier today in today's fall extreme whole house clean and decorate with me part 2. I'm going to be showing you guys some really cute and fun fall plates that I've had for years. They are from the Target dollar spot, and you can find so many cute seasonal dollar items from Target or Dollar Tree, especially for your little ones. And the kids love it, you guys. They don't care if it's $1. They just love that it's festive and fun for the holidays. So we're going to be putting those in the dishwasher and getting them ready for this holiday season. I've been sharing uplifting motherhood mom quotes, and the quote I wanted to share with you guys in today's video is, being a mother is learning about strengths you didn't know you had and dealing with fears you didn't even know existed. This is from Nishan Pawat, and I feel like this is so true on so many levels. So if you're a mom, hang in there. We got this.
I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Any dishes that were upstairs, I brought them down and washed them while the dishwasher was washing again. We are going to be adding new bedding to the bed right now, and I fast forwarded that for you guys, and we're ending it with the beautiful bed decor. I do want to get a new fall inspired blanket. I don't have one of those, so you'll definitely be seeing those soon in the upcoming video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I'm so excited about my new cleaning channel and just being here to uplift and motivate you guys along with me. Subscribe if you are new, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.